Hello. So, I was trying to cam, and I know you can hear my voice, I'm a little congested. It's been so windy, it's crazy. So, the dust in the air is just wild. And the past couple of days, I've had a little sniffle and a little cough. But today, I couldn't even cam because everyone just wanted me to stop coughing. Or I think it, wasn't so hot for some people. But I can't help it. So, I thought I would cough for you. I know you appreciate my coughs, right? If I was live camming, like streaming live, and you came into my room, my cam room, and I started coughing. Sorry. If I was on live and started coughing, would you leave? Or would you stay and enjoy? It doesn't have to ruin the fun, it can still be fun. Even though I have my little cough. Don't you think? Ugh, that one hurt a little bit. My head just hurts from coughing. But hopefully soon the dust will settle around town. Do you think the coughing's settled? I can never tell if it's all done. Okay. Guess that answers my question. But I love that my giant tits bounce while I cough. Don't you think? It's cute when they do that. That was a lot of coughs right there. I started sweating. Oh my god, that was intense. Ugh. Sheesh. Oh, that coughing's crazy. How long do you think the cough will last? That last time I'm still catching my breath. see if I could drink some water and hopefully calm my little throat down a little bit. Thanks for watching, though. Hope it was fun for you. I know I, like, cleared out my throat a lot, I feel like.